See how quickly he launches his boat. So the water's looking very good today. Looks nice out there. All the life safety equipment they're putting there. Okay, let's see. These guys had a lot of practice. They look like they've had a lot of practice. It's a nice Friday afternoon here. It's winter, the sun's shining. This is life in the Southern Cape of South Africa. Okay, I thought he'd just come. Okay, he's got to lower the engines. Okay. Okay, he's keeping us waiting. This guy's got his engines going. He's pushing his boat up. Okay, they're loading the life safety equipment onto that white bucket there. And he's keeping his boat stable with his engines. He's pushing it up against the wall there. Okay, he's back in his car. His buddy's got his fishing rods ready. Let's see. Is he a pro? Okay, let's see. Yeah, look at that. He knows what he's doing. That's off. There we go. What a neat maneuver. This guy knows his job. Right. Let's have a look here. What they're doing here. Oh, so these things are heavy. I loaded it up. Ah, there's beautiful still water out there today.